In this video, I'll be showing you the best ChatGPT settings I use to turn it into a high-level productivity assistant that manages my professional tasks and daily schedule with ease. I'm starting right here on the homepage, and I'll begin by setting up the dictate feature, which is perfect for hands-free brainstorming while I'm working on other things. If you see a permission error like I did, don't worry. Just open your browser's site settings, find the microphone option, and toggle it to on to grant access. Now when I click the mic icon in the message bar, the active waveform shows it's capturing my voice perfectly. So I'll clear that and move on to the next step. To make the AI's responses much more professional and tailored to my needs, I'll head down to the bottom left corner, click on my profile, and navigate to the personalization menu to set up my custom instructions. I'm pasting in a specific set of rules from my notes that forces the AI to be direct, avoid filler phrases, and use concise bullet points. This ensures I get polished, high-value results every single time. Then I'll click Save. To make the AI even smarter over time, I'll make sure the Reference Saved Memories toggle is active in the same menu. Now I'll give some important context for my work by pasting my name and professional background as a marketing manager into a new chat. Once sent, a notification appears at the top confirming that the memory has been updated. By clicking Manage, I can verify that it now permanently remembers my role, giving me personalized, context-aware answers in every future session without me having to repeat myself. Finally, I'll go to the Data Control section in my settings to request a full export of my account data. This ensures I have a secure, offline backup of all my chats and personalized settings sent straight to my email for my records. These simple adjustments transform ChatGPT from a basic chatbot into a powerful, customized partner for my career. If you found this walkthrough helpful for boosting your own productivity, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.